Are you ready to be filmed now? Say cheese.
Cheese.
And what are we doing today?
Going to garlic now.
No, what are we doing with the garlic behind you?
Huh?
What are we doing with it?
I put in these nasty bands in my as a fire.
The mind of a toddler. So today, guys, we're going to tie these guys up. I'm not into it. You can plait them up. I know I can plait. I said that, but I'm not. There's no need. Like, I don't need to do this fancy plaiting. It does look pretty, but at the same time, yeah, I've always said practical over prettiness. So yeah, let's get tying these guys. I've already started a couple of them. So because I haven't got the biggest crop. I'm only putting 5 together, and my flat is quite hot, so to speak, and there's a lot of sunlight. So basically, when you do tie your garlic up and hang them out, make sure it's in direct sunlight. So, and then a nice kind of airflow. So here's a good room. I'm thinking behind me, just down here, would be a good spot. Downstairs, the utility room's good, but this way is west facing. So pretty much from 3 o'clock onwards, you get the light for the whole day. So anyways, enough talking. Let's get tying up.
Give garlic a hug then. Well done.
All done, easy peasy. So yeah, just tie up your garlic, leave them there for a couple of weeks, make sure they're proper tinder dry and all the kind of greenness has gone from them, and then you're done, and then you can start devouring them basically. So yeah, I've left mine here. I know I said this room's west facing, but at the same time what I can do is close the blinds if it gets too hot in here, and I still get ventilation too. And I was thinking about putting them in the, if you can look here, I was thinking about putting them in that shed there. But in there it gets there's a breeze, but it's proper stifling, and I don't want to do that. And downstairs in the utility room, like, it's out of the way, but there's no blinds there, so I can't keep the light out of the way. So indirect sunlight and a nice breeze. And right now there's a lovely breeze going through. You can kind of see the leaves blowing, but it's beautiful. Anyways, guys, yeah, hope you learned something there, and happy harvesting. Stay tuned, because I'll tell you about the soil amendment that I used. And yeah, peace and hugs.